My dear friends, today in this video I am going to discuss what is preamble, and really this topic is very much important for all of you. Okay, so before starting the video I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rajdeep and I read in BA third semester, and I welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel Political Study, and it's my request to everyone, please subscribe my channel so that relevant videos relating to political science will be available to all of you. So let's come to the point. So what is preamble? What is the meaning of preamble? See, first of all, American Constitution was the first to begin with a preamble, and later on many countries including India followed this practice. So see, listen it very carefully, okay, because if you listen it very carefully, then I am sure that you will never forget what is preamble. So let's come to the point. The word preamble or the term preambles refer to the introduction or preface of the Constitution. It contains the summary and essence. E-S-S-E-N-C. It contains the summary and essence of the Constitution. Now, what is the meaning of essence? See, essence means nature. Essence means what? Nature. That what should be the nature of our Indian Constitution. And the word essence itself signifies that what is the importance of preamble in our Indian Constitution. For example, you can say that preamble is the gateway of our Indian Constitution. Gateway of our Indian Constitution. So preamble is the gateway of our Indian Constitution. So you can imagine that what is the importance of preamble in our Indian Constitution. Another example, M.N. Palkiwala, an eminent jurist and also an constitutional expert, he called the preamble as the identity card. Identity card of our Indian Constitution and the framers of our Indian Constitution. So I think every one of you know that the members of the Constituent Assembly are the framers of our Indian Constitution. So I think that every one of you know this. So the framers of our Indian Constitution took the idea that what should be the nature of our Indian Constitution from where? From preamble. And what should be the objectives of our Indian Constitution? What should be the objectives of our Indian Constitution from where? From preamble. So preamble is the basic structure of our Indian Constitution. Preamble is the foundation of our Indian Constitution. Preamble is the base of our Indian Constitution. So what is preamble? Preamble means the introduction or preface of the Constitution. It contains the summary and essence of our Indian Constitution. So up to this it is clear to all of you. Now see, the preamble of our Indian Constitution is based on the objective resolution. The preamble of our Indian Constitution is based on the objective resolution. Now you may get confused that what is this objective resolution. See, objective resolution was drafted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru drafted this objective resolution in the year 13 December 1946, and the objective resolution was accepted by the Constituent Assembly in the year 22 January 1947. So objective resolution was drafted in the year 13 December 1946 and it was accepted by the Constituent Assembly in the year 22 January 1947. So please remember this date because it is important. Now if you listen the word objective resolution, don't be confused, because the preamble of our Indian Constitution is based on this objective resolution. Earlier it was known as objective resolution. Later on it came to be known as preamble, and the preamble of our Indian constitution is based on this objective resolution, and this objective resolution was drafted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 13 December 1946, and this resolution was accepted by the Constituent Assembly in the year 22 January 1947. Now see, there is a question, and the question is that, do you think preamble is a part of our Indian constitution? Do you think that preamble is a part of our Indian constitution? Then yes, preamble is a part of our Indian constitution, because after the judgment of Kesavinanda Bharati case in the year 1976, the Supreme Court says, or the Supreme Court accept that preamble is a part of our Indian constitution. Now, as preamble is a part of our Indian constitution, do you think that preamble can be amended? Yes, preamble can be amended. Now, what is the meaning of amended? Amended means to change something slightly to make it more better. Okay, this is the meaning of the word amended. As preamble is a part of our Indian constitution, preamble can be amended under article, remember this article, okay, under article 368 of our Indian constitution, preamble can be amended. But my dear friends, the basic structure, the base or the foundation of the preamble cannot be amended. Clear? The basic structure, the base of the preamble cannot be amended. Now, if question comes that, do you think preamble is a part of our Indian constitution? Without wasting your time, write it that yes, preamble is a part of our Indian constitution, and preamble can be amended under article 368 of our Indian constitution, but the basic structure of the preamble cannot be amended. Understand? 42 Second Amendment Act 1976. What is 42 Second Amendment Act 1976? See, 42 Second Amendment Act 1976 is very important for our Indian constitution. And my dear friends, our Indian constitution has been changing from time to time to make it more better. And this 42 Second Amendment Act is also known as the mini constitution. Is also known as the mini constitution of India. Now, why it is called mini constitution? See, during this Amendment Act 1976, many changes took place in our Indian constitution, and that's the reason it is known as mini constitution of India. And through this Amendment Act 1976, three new words added in the preamble. Through this Amendment Act 1976, three new words added in the preamble, and that is socialist, secular, and integrity. Socialist, secular, and integrity. Okay, so I will discuss it in my next video, don't worry. Okay, I will discuss it in my next video. So up to this it is clear to all of you. Now, what is preamble? Preamble is the introduction or preface of the constitution. It contains the summary and essence of the constitution, and the preamble is based on the objective resolution, and the objective resolution was drafted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 13 December 1946, and it was accepted by the Constituent Assembly in the year 22 January 1947. Up to this it is clear to all of you. So I think that the preamble is clear to all of you. I think you have no any doubt, because in a very simple way I discuss it. So I think it is clear to all of you. So in my next video I am going to discuss what are the components or the ingredients of the preamble. Today in this video I am not going to discuss it because this topic is very much important, and if I discuss it today then it will be difficult for you to understand, and that's why I will discuss it in my next video. Okay, so before I end this video, it's my request to everyone that please subscribe my channel, and if you like my today's video, please click on the like icon, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in my comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please follow me on my Instagram ID. And for today I have finished here.